Hello, people. Today I'm here to talk about what tarot card is and how tarot guidance work. Because I've been asked this question several times as to how I go about giving my guidance with these tarot cards. Now, see, tarot cards are all about energy and our intuition. And that is the reason tarot readers, whenever we have a reading with the clients, we generally take their name and date of birth to get their energy with these cards. Because when we pull out the cards for them, the cards show us the guidance as per your energies. Okay. Now, one more thing is tarot is for a short term period. This is not like a long term prediction kind of thing. Tarot works for a few weeks, few months, or a year at the max. And plus, these are more of a guidance form rather than having to predict about what is happening. These are not your usual predictions. These are basically guidance that we get through the energies coming in. Okay, so whenever we have a reading with a client and they ask a few questions, you can always come back after few months asking the same questions, because by the time your energies have changed, your thought process have changed, there is a lot of changes going on around you, and the cards change according to that. The cards change according to what your energies are showing. Now, if we talk about the technical aspects of these cards, see, tarot cards come in a pack of 78 cards, and they are further divided into two categories, the major arcana and the minor arcana. Now, the major arcana cards show us the major events happening in our life. Whenever we have a reading and if a major arcana card comes out, it means that one, the time period is going to be longer because this is a major event occurring in your life. So that can last from 6 months to 1 year or so. And these major arcana cards will give you the guidance in the form of major events happening or that might happen in a few days or coming months in your life that is going to have a larger effect on your life. The minor arcana card, on the other hand, show us about the day-to-day activities, the day-to-day things happening in our life that we can change as per the guidance received. So major arcana and minor arcana, this is how the cards are divided. And during the reading, suppose there are also cards which are known as the court cards. They are the page, the knight, the queen, and the king. They talk about the young, the youth, and then the matured female and male cards. King and queen especially are basically the feminine and the male version of things that are going to happen in your life. When a queen or a king comes out, it means that it is associated with a female or a male energy. Another very important aspect is what kind of questions to ask. See, you need to be very specific about the questions that you're asking, because as I mentioned earlier, tarot is all about energies. If you are confused and you're asking a confusing questions, you will get confusing answers. You need to be very specific about what you want. One more thing is, tarot, as I said, is not prediction. So you cannot have questions like, what should I choose as my career? That is something I think you can get more answers, more specific answers to that, maybe in numerology. That will also be coming up down the line on my page. But for now, we are talking about tarot, and tarot, you can give choices. You can have, if you're confused about what stream to choose or what is the line you want to choose, and you have a couple of things on your mind and you're confused about what to choose, then tarot can work on it. It can give you the answers as to what you can choose can be a better option for you. So these are the kind of things that you need to be careful with while asking tarot. And plus, you do not repeat the same question every now and then in tarot. You need to give one very specific 40 to 41 days time for the cycle to finish, for the energies to change, for your thought process to change, and then maybe you can ask a similar question if you have it again. Else, these are for short term. So I hope this has cleared a lot of doubts surrounding tarot and how it works. And if, like I said, if you haven't had a tarot session before, do try it once. You will get to know exactly how it works and how it will help you take the right step for your future.